Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to add funds to Robinhood account, easy method. Open the Robinhood app, tap account, then transfers to start linking your bank. I walk you through choosing add money, selecting instant or ACH, and entering the amount like $50 or $500. I also explain limits, verification steps, and how long each method typically takes so you can fund trades with confidence and speed. Linking your bank is simple and secure, and I guide you through every tap. Start by choosing your bank or entering routing and account numbers when prompted. If instant verification fails, wait for micro deposits and confirm amounts to verify the account. Once verified, set that bank as your default funding source to make future add money steps much faster so you can focus on investing without repeated setup steps. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear walkthroughs. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp, long-lasting scent that pairs nicely with a calm investing routine. Check the description for the link and other deals, pick one up if you want, and now let's get back to the video. Choosing the right deposit method depends on timing and cost, and I explain both options clearly. Instant deposit gives immediate buying power up to a set limit, while ACH transfers are fee-free but take a few business days to settle. I also cover how available buying power can differ from fully settled funds and how that affects your ability to trade or withdraw, so you avoid unexpected holds or trade failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.